Keith Daniels is live now with how city leaders are taking major steps to help young people cope and heal from the trauma of all this violence. Keith?
Well, Mary, supporters here at City Hall say it's an approach that's proved effective in other cities. And tonight, it's a proposal that could become law in Baltimore City. Trauma in Baltimore City. Young victims who witness violence in need of help. We've seen their stories, including the 18-year-old son of a woman stabbed to death earlier this month after trying to protect her son from the killer.
My mother did what any mother would do. She protected her kids.
At Baltimore City Hall, the Baltimore City Trauma Responsive Care Act, a new bill passed on this night aimed at bringing trauma responsive care to the city to help reduce violence. Councilman Zeke Cohen sponsored the bill that passed with a unanimous vote of approval.
This is an urgent moment. We know that if we are going to end this cycle of violence in our city, we've got to end the trauma that fuels it.
Bill sponsors say research at the National Institute of Mental Health shows traumatized teenagers often behave destructively or disruptively and often turn to alcohol or other drugs to cope. This bill, among other things, would place social workers in city agencies that deliver services to youth and families to assist and support kids through their trauma.
Trauma causes violence. You know, the trauma that some of our young people grow up and experience leaves them wanting and needing alternatives.
We know that when a person experiences trauma early in life, they are both more likely to become a victim or a perpetrator of violent crime themselves.
Well, Mayor Jack Young is expected to sign the bill into law February 9th. That's the one-year anniversary of the shooting that happened at Frederick Douglass High School last year. Well, live now at City Hall, Keith Daniels, Fox 45 News.